Hi everyone, welcome to our video. Let's get started filing your W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. First, check your tax preferences. Note that you can't change this setting in January. If your Automate Taxes and Forms setting is on, QuickBooks will automatically file your W-2s for you. If it's off, you'll need to file your W-2 electronically through QuickBooks. We'll show you how to do it in this video. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Select Filings. Find the W-2 copies in Employer. You can use a filter to make this easier. Select File. You can preview your W-2s before filing if needed. When you're ready, select E-File. Note, there's no way to stop the W-2 filing once you select E-File. You'll then see your filing confirmation. The W-2s are on their way to the SSA, IRS, and your state if applicable. Select Done. Next, you can print your W-2s for any of your employees who need a paper copy. Check out this video to learn how to print your W-2s. Remember, W-2s need to be postmarked by January 31st. Great work! You've successfully filed your W-2s.